Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, in our previous video, we have discussed some consistent system of pair of linear equation. We seen that the system of equation may have only one solution, may have infinite number of solution, and maybe there doesn't exist any solution. That means there is no solution. Now today we are going to discuss some special method by which we are going to solve the system of linear equation. So let's get started. So first we have to see that the solution. What is solution? A solution is a pair of value of xy which satisfy both the linear equations. Now you can solve a linear equation by two methods. One is graphical method and another is algebraic method. But today we are going to discuss about the algebraic method. In algebraic method there are also three different type of method. First is substitution method and elimination method, and last one is cross multiplication method. Now in this video we are going to discuss the first algebraic method. It is substitution method. Okay, substitution method. What is this method? In this method we express one of the variable in terms of the other variable from either of two equations, and then this expression is put in other equation to obtain equation in one variable. So in a pair of linear equation there is two variable x and y, and there are two equations. First we have to express one variable, suppose y, in term of x, so y equal to fx in this form. Then I will put this value of y in the another equation. So let's see the steps of this method. First, suppose you have two pair of two linear equation. There is a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. There are two linear equations. Choose, there are two variable, you can see x and y. You can choose any one. Suppose I am choosing y, so I have to express y in terms of x from any of these equation. So choose either of two variables, say the two equations, suppose from one equation, and find the value of one variable, suppose y. So I am expressing y from the first equation in terms of x. So y equal to, you can write c1 minus a1x by b. This is the expression of y, okay, in terms of other variable, that means x. So next step, substitute the value of y obtained in these steps in the equation 2 to get the equation of x. So I will put this value of y in the next equation. So a2x plus b2 into, I will put the value of y, so c1 minus a1x by b, sorry, this is b1, so this is b1 plus c2 equal to 0. So you can see this is an equation of only one variable x, and there are constants. So you can find the value of x from this equation. So next step, solve the equation obtained in step 3 in the above step to get the value of x. So if you solve this equation, you will find the value of x, and then substitute this value of x in the above expression of y. So I will put the value of x here, then you will get y. Okay, so the value of x and y obtained in step 4 and 5 respectively. So you can see the steps here. I have discussed how to find a solution. Now solve an example to make this step easier. Now I have taken an example here. Solve the system of equation using the method of substitution. So given pair of equations is 2x plus 3y equal to 9, 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Okay, so the given equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 9 first equation, and 3x plus 4y equal to 5, this is second equation. Okay, so first step is you have to take one variable and one equation between these two equation. Okay, So I have taken first equation, equation 1. So 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay. Then you have to express one variable in terms of others variable. Okay. So here I have expressing y variable 3y equal to 9 minus 2x, and that's equal to y equal to 9 minus 2x by 3. Okay. So this is the expression of y. Then what is the process? You have to put the value of this y in the another equation. So another equation means equation 2. I will put the value of y. So substitute the value of y in equation 2. Okay. So 3x plus 4 into here y. So I will put the value of this. So 4 into 9 minus 2x by 3 in equal to 5. Okay. So if you LCM these two terms, so 9x, 3 into 3 9x plus 4 into 9 36 minus 4 into 2 2x 8x. Okay. So 9x plus 36 minus 8x equals to by 3 equal to 5. Okay. So you can see here 9x minus 8x equals to x plus 36 equal to 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay. Then x equals to 15 minus 36, that is x equals to minus 21. So this is the value of x, and then I will put the value of x in this expression what we have earlier discussed. So now put x equals to minus 21 in y equal to minus 9x minus 2x by 3. So 9 minus 2 into minus 21 by 3. So 9 plus 42 by 3, that is 51 by 3, is y equal to 17. So the solution is x equals to minus 21, y equal to 17. Okay. Hope you understood the process how to find the solution by substitution method. This method name is substitution. So you have to substitute one value of the variable from one equation to another equation. First find the expression of one variable, then put the value of this expression in another equation. From that find the value of one variable, then put another value of the equation. So this is the process. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.